Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee. Today we have a Jura N8 with us in the shop, and it had came in because there was a lot of clogging issues with the machine. It wasn't wanting to pump any water through the machine entirely. So messed around with it a little bit, was able to get it to run water. Make sure to check the pump, make sure everything's working, everything's all good inside of the machine. My suspect is that the water tank, when it had came in, it was detached, and putting it on and getting the right fit was a little finicky. So I did mess around, test it, fixed it, and we did a tune-up on this machine. Pretty much the tune-up is we take the whole brew unit out, replace all the gaskets, clean everything, make sure there's no coffee buildup, which there was a bit of coffee buildup in this one. Wipe down all the walls inside the machine, wipe down the whole brew unit, replace all the gaskets, lubricated every moving piece, and descaled your machine and did a few rinsing cycles to get these spouts and these hoses all cleaned up. So now we're going to test the machine by getting some coffee first. Alright, now we got coffee in the hopper, so we're going to test the espresso. It's going to grind a little bit and then it's going to pour out through the front. We're going to test all the other functions of the machine also, like the steam, which we don't have the hose to connect it to anything, but we will let steam run through. And then the hot water function just really quickly. So we're just going to brew a shot real quick. And this is using our test coffee. Alright, so there's a shot for you. Here, I'm going to put the same cup under and test the hot water function. As you can see, running through, nice and well. Turn that off just to test the last function, which is milk foam. Right here. So that's going to run the steamer. Use a random test. As you can see, working well. And that's about it for this video. If you like this repair or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.